Hello everyone, today I will discuss career and scope of microbiologist, salary, eligibility and skills required. Then let's start. Microbiologist. A microbiologist is someone who works in the domain of microbiology. He is a scientist who makes a thorough study of microorganisms. Microbiologists examine the characteristics of microscopic organisms such as virus and fungi. Microbiologists might sometimes handle various organisms in the course of their research, thus making the work hazardous. Research in bacteriology, virology, and mycology and parasitology are some of the specialist fields of microbiologists. Some of them also specialize in agriculture, environment, food, and medical aspects. The microbiologists develop many vitamins, enzymes, and hormones. Different categories of microbiologist, scientific writer, food technologist, clinical microbiologist, copy editor, research associates. Other opportunities in hospitals, healthcare organization, environmental organization, publicly funded organization, pharmaceutical, food and drug industry. Microbiologist career requirements. At least bachelor degree in microbiology or closely related field is required for would-be microbiology scientists. Students should also have knowledge of other sciences such as physics, chemistry, and biochemistry because it is essential for microbiologists to have extensive understanding of the sciences. Nearly all undergraduate microbiology programs contain a mandatory laboratory requirement. However, supplementary laboratory courses is recommended. Students can also require valuable laboratory experience out of internship with potential employers such as drug manufacturers. Certification and skill required for a successful career as a microbiologist. Employment of microbiologists is estimated to grow nearly 8% over the coming 10 years, which is as fast as average of all professions. Pharmaceutical and biotechnology companies will need microbiologists to develop drugs that are produced with the service of microorganisms. Microbiologists will be needed in many companies, from chemical companies to food procedures to warrant product quality and production effectiveness. Employment area for microbiology. Microbiologists mainly work in laboratory research setting in indicates past, और जो इसमें एम्प्लॉयमेंट का एरिया है उन जैसे गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हो गए, एजुकेशन सिस्टम हो गया और हॉस्पिटल्स हो गए, उसमें जो एम्प्लॉयमेंट के चांसेस हैं वो लगभग 80% होते हैं। और जो यूनिवर्सिटी, कॉलेज, प्रोफेशनल स्कूल्स होते हैं उसमें 14% एम्प्लॉयमेंट के चांस होते हैं। मेडिसिन एंड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग और जो फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनीज होते हैं उसमें 32% एम्प्लॉयमेंट के चांस होते हैं। और रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट इन लाइफ साइंस में जो एम्प्लॉयमेंट का चांसेस होता है वो सबसे ज़्यादा होता है, लगभग 36%। Top companies that hire microbiologists like Clipa, Bisleri, Nova Enzyme, Sanfoni, and many you can see here. And the top institute, organization, and industries: FSSI, DRDO, KIIDC, and IPFT. जो माइक्रोबायोलॉजिस्ट होते हैं उनकी सैलरी, जो फ्रेशर होते हैं उनकी 3 लाख पर एनम होती है और 5 to 6 ईयर के एक्सपीरियंस के बाद जो सैलरी होती है वो 10 लाख पर एनम होती है। और जो रिसर्चर्स होते हैं उनकी सैलरी 20 लाख पर एनम होती है। मीन्स इससे ये कंक्लूजन निकल के आता है कि आपके पास जितनी ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस होगा सैलरी उतनी ज़्यादा होगी। दिस फील्ड नीड एक्सपीरियंस। Top cities that hire microbiologists: पुणे, हैदराबाद, मुंबई, चेन्नई। थैंक यू। यदि आपको ये इंफॉर्मेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो आप प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस करिए न्यू नोटिफिकेशन के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच।